If you're new to my channel, my name is Ohemaa. Welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey! Learning something new can be both scary and exciting at the same time. And when you're a beginner at makeup, it is overwhelming the amount of information there is out there. So in today's video, I am going to show you the best possible way to color match your foundations so that whenever you blend it out and you put everything else on top of it, it looks really good and it matches as close to your skin tone as possible so that you don't get that mask effect. Before we jump into it, every single product I'll be using will be tagged right here in this video. If you're on mobile, tap this view product. If you're on a tablet or a desktop, click that more button to expand the description box, and then the list of products will populate right here for you so you can see every single product I use. YouTube already checks the prices across all websites so that you know that the prices that you're seeing here are the best out there. At the end of the video, I'm going to give you my very last final tip on how to match your foundations. That's going to save you money and also help you find the best foundation. If you do a Google search on how to find the best foundation shade for you, it's going to tell you to run through a series of checklists. So if first, it's going to ask you to check your veins. Do you see blue or do you see green or do you see red or white or whatever it is that it is? If you can't do that, it tells you to check your palm to see the color that you're seeing. I don't know what color this is that I'm seeing. It could be blue, it could be gray, it could be black. I don't know what color that is. So that doesn't apply to me. And then the next thing that I remember on the list is check your skin tone. Do whites look good on you? Do blues look good on you? Do greens look good on you? Honey, I am dark skinned. Every single color in the world looks good on me. So I can't really use that as a means to determine my foundation undertone, not even the tone of the foundation, the undertone. So tip number one, I'm somebody who likes to shop online a lot. So what I do is first check the return policy on the website that you're trying to buy the product from. If they say you can go ahead and return whatever unused product, I look at the foundation, I look at the pictures, I look at some reviews. If the shade that I feel matches me is not the deepest on the spectrum, I will pick the shade that I think matches me, the shade before that, and the shade after that. That gives you a little wiggle room of swatching them when they come in, blending it in, and seeing which one is the better match for you. If you do this, you're actually able to find the best shade for you. And tip number two, I mentioned a little bit of that in tip number one, which is to make sure that whatever website you're buying your products from is a site that allows you to return your products, whether it's opened or unused. Sephora allows you to return products that are open. Ulta allows you to return products that are open. The drugstores allow you to return products that are open. Amazon allows you to return products that are open. Just make sure that if you're buying from Amazon, you're buying from an authorized retailer that's on Amazon and not just a random person selling the product. So tip number three, if you go to Sephora or Ulta or MAC or Sephora inside JCPenney, or if you go inside Macy's, they have it like a makeup counter or makeup booth or whatever, right? You can ask the people in the stores to color match you. That's why you're going to say, hey, I'm really looking to get the perfect foundation for me. Is it possible for you to color match me? They're going to say, absolutely. What brand were you looking for? And you're going to say, well, I really don't know what brand I want. What I actually need, it's a foundation that matches my skin tone very well. And then I may be able to decide the brand that I want to try. What they're going to do is maybe go through, pick a few foundations with, several different shades. They're going to swatch it on your face. And then they're going to tell you, oh, I think this is the one that matches your skin tone. What you're going to do is say, thank you so much for this. I will be right back. I just want to see what they look like in natural light. You're going to get up out of the store and don't be shy because you have swatches of products on your face. That is okay. You're going to take your big girl behind and you're going to walk outside. In natural light, you will be able to see the shade that works the best for your skin tone. So let's say I decide this shade is the one that works best for me. I'm going to take a little bit of that shade and I'll blend it into my skin on a different part of my face. While looking at it, if that disappears into your skin, that is your foundation. I know that they have very good lighting in the retail stores for you to be able to see the colors and, experience the products on your skin the way that they should be. My only problem is that sometimes the lights in the store are not so accurate. So you're gonna find that, you went to the store, you got color match, it looked beautiful in the store, you step out and it doesn't look so good. Okay, so tip number, if you are somebody who wants to learn how to do full makeup, to have a beat face, personally, I will tell you to go for a shade that is slightly deeper than your skin tone, because picking a foundation shade that is slightly deeper than your skin tone, in my opinion, gives you a little bit of leeway, and in the end, everything will look beautiful and balanced all together. So I feel like trying foundations from several different brands, having all those shades that you feel match your skin tone from several different brands swatched on your face will help you figure out the best possible match for your skin tone, the best way that you can find your perfect shade, and also be able to save some money in the process while trying out the product. Is when you go to Sephora or Ulta, what you're gonna do is, once you find the shades that you like that look really nice on your skin tone and you swatch them, you say, oh my god, I absolutely love these shades. I would really like a sample to try out and see what they look like on my skin tone. Now, whenever I found out this trick, and that was when I was learning to do makeup. So literally all I was doing was foundation. I wasn't even putting concealer on. I didn't even know how to put concealer on, okay? So what I would do is go to Sephora or Ulta to get a sample of the foundation. They'll give you like a small container of the product. They'll label it. They'll put the shade on it. Make sure that anytime you're going to the store to go get shade match, you're bringing a Sharpie with you. So whenever they give you the sample, you're going to write the name of the brand. You're going to write the name of the foundation, and you're going to write the shade of the foundation onto your little container. This is all before you've actually bought your concealer, your setting powder, and anything else that you need for makeup. Now, finding the right foundation shade for you can literally make or break your love for makeup, because if you end up doing everything that I suggested and it works very well, your makeup will come out looking flawless and you're gonna love it. And guess what? You're gonna keep going until you absolutely love your makeup every time you put it on. But as always, remember that makeup is fun. It's not a one size fits all type of situation. So what works for me may not work for you. So definitely watch a bunch of other videos and decide on which technique works best for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you lots, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.